Hi, I am Pier Luigi Sacco. I am a professor of cultural economics at IULM University in Milan and a faculty associate at Berkman-Klein Center at Harvard University. I'm been really intrigued to participate in this workshop because I think that that was probably the first time that you could really have a sense of what is the debate today around this emerging new field, exciting new field that is infodemics. And what was really interesting was the interdisciplinary mix of the discussion, not only from the point of view of disciplines, but also from the point of view of geography. I think that this incredible diversity gave us the possibility to experiment real time what were the emerging issues, what were probably also the solution strategies, and I'm sure that this experience will influence substantially my way of thinking over this issue over the next few years. I think that it's extremely important, especially for these new challenging visions, to have a test like this, because what happens today is that despite of all the resources that we have, there is not enough diversity in our discussions, and that was absolutely a crucial step forward.
Wow, cool. Thank you.